Hey everyone, Trashy here. I own a junk removal business in the Nashville area called Trashy's Hauling and Junk Removal, and when I show up, people call me Trashy. So in this video, I'm going to share some tips on how we handle carpet and carpet padding removal, and also how to get more work for your junk removal business. This is a carpet removal job that we did. It was actually part of a whole trash out that we did for an investment company that we work with a lot. They buy and rehab homes and then resell or rent them out. So they have a lot of volume. I'm going to be doing another video about the entire trash out because it was quite the project. So for this particular job, the company paid us $50 per room of carpet, and there were 9 rooms. So 50 times 9, it was $450 just for the carpet removal and the padding removal, of course. And we were able to get all of it removed in less than 2 hours. I think it was like an hour and a half. Carpet removal is relatively straightforward. It's pretty easy. All you need are some gloves and a box cutter. And for this job, we actually didn't remove the tack strips because the company asked us to leave them. If we had to remove them, though, a crowbar would do the trick. You'll notice that I'm cutting the carpet into smaller sections to make it easier to carry out. We do this because when we do these big trash outs, how we handle it is we remove all of the items out of the house and just set them in the front yard or the driveway so that we can have our truck crew who operates our 26-foot box truck so that they can come and just pick it all up in one big pile instead of having the box truck just being tied up at one location all day, because sometimes it takes us, a lot of times it takes us 8 hours or more to completely trash out these homes. But anyways, when we're setting carpet out, we want to make sure that it's in manageable size pieces. You know, sometimes people they'll just like roll the entire room up, and you'll have this really heavy, long piece of carpet that is just a pain to load into a truck. But carpet removal is a really good service to offer potential customers, especially if you're doing like commercial work. Contractors and investment companies who are buying and flipping or renovating houses are really the main target market for this service because they often need to replace all the carpet. And the more services you can provide, the more valuable that you're going to be to these clients. Like, we handle trash outs, obviously carpet removal, but we'll also do shed demolition and removal. And sometimes we've rented skid steers and heavy earth moving equipment to tackle bigger sheds that are a little bit too big to handle manually. And it's always fun getting in a skid steer. We also do light demolition, like removing cupboards and cabinets and kitchens. And these companies prefer to just have us do all of this work because if we don't do it, then they're going to have to pay someone to do it. And since we're there and we can do it, then we just do it. And if you own a junk removal company and you are trying to get more business, the number one thing that has worked for us is doing outreach, just going and visiting apartment complexes, making phone calls, just searching for people who you think would need your service. For example, investment companies, real estate agents, general contractors, property management companies. Just go online, find some phone numbers, some emails, and just hit the streets. But you can't just send one email out. You can't just make one phone call. You can't even make 5 or 10 phone calls. It's probably going to be like a 1 in 15, 1 in 20 type of situation, 1 in 30 type of situation, But the great thing about getting those commercial clients is that they're going to keep calling you back. It's recurring revenue. So that would be my tip for the day on how to get more junk removal business. So anyways, I'm going to be doing more videos like this. So like and subscribe if you want, and I will see you guys in the next video.